Hey there, Sharon Peterson here with simplycanning.com, and I have another canning chat for you today. This question comes from Sue, and she is asking about my stewed tomatoes recipe. So this reads, I notice you don't combine celery and bell peppers in your stewed tomatoes recipe. Wondered what the reason is. I would like to have both, and so I'm just wondering if I can. Thanks, Sharon. I love your stuff. Sue, that is a great question. So the reason we leave celery out of our stewed tomatoes is we just don't like it. So when I wrote up the recipe, and I will double check it to make sure, the recipe calls for onions, peppers, and celery. Now you can use, there's a total number of cups of those three vegetables that you can use, but you can kind of interchange them. So if you want to do just onions and peppers like we do, then I still have the same amount of total cups of vegetables. I just don't put the celery in there. I add a little bit more peppers or a little bit more onions to make up the difference. If you wanted to leave the peppers out, you could do just onions and celery. You would just still use that same total number of cups. So the recipe is good as it's written. If you want to add celery, just make sure you stay within that total number of cups per the amount of tomatoes that you have, and you will stay within the safe levels for the processing that's written into the recipe. So that is a great question, and I'm glad you're not just adapting recipes and not understanding what you're doing, because that's really important. Again, this is Sharon with simplycanning.com. You have a great day, and we will talk to you in the next canning chat.